to Omaluhia Botanical Garden in Kaneohe. I'm Olive, the program coordinator here. Today we're going to take a tropical forest walk and focus on some of the seeds that are along our pathway. But before we get started, we like to remind people to be prepared to walk in our rainforest area. For example, you might want to bring an umbrella, your water bottle, an ice pack, first aid kit, and we do have mosquitoes, so maybe some kind of insect repellent or insect bracelet, and also a hat and sunglasses for sun. So you do need to be prepared for rain or sun. It's all nice to sometimes bring a rain jacket and bring enough backpack material to carry everything in. So today we're going to walk down to one of our palm trees and take a look at it and see what kind of product and what kind of seeds it has. So if we'll just follow along. Okay, one of the palm trees that we have here at Omaluhia was recently featured in Food and Medicine, as well as many other magazines, health stores, and places promoting healthy living and healthy eating. And so we actually have here today an acai palm. And we developed these labels. They were put together by our botanists in 2007 when Omaluhia celebrated its 25th anniversary. So acai palm, if you look up, they're tall trees, and way up there on top you're going to find the seeds that look like this in various stages. Now the ones you want to harvest for your acai, for your fruit bowls and your juices and drinks and your tea, are actually a pretty blue color like this. They look kind of like blueberries. So they start out green, of course, and then they'll turn a purple color. So these are the acai berries. Now you can imagine how much work it takes to take the coating off, the blue coating, and create the juice, the tea, and the acai, which is often like sherbet or ice cream, which we use to make our fruit bowls with. So you can add acai with bananas and coconut and other kinds of good things like granola. So this is a health plant, and it comes from the rainforest areas of the world. And of course, it's a lot of work to harvest the small little purple blue coloring to create your product. So please do look for acai, and it comes from this rainforest palm here. Now let's take a look at another one of our tropical plants. Our next plant that we're looking at is the Pixa, or it's often known in English as the lipstick plant. And it's called lipstick plant because if you look at the seed pods here and the seeds, they have a red coloring. Now we're a little out of season with these here. You might see some seeds in here. If you come to the garden in November, December, these will be a bright red color like on the picture here. Right now they're a little bit dried and the seeds have dropped. Now this plant goes by many different names. We know it as anato, we also know it as atiote, and as lipstick plant. And you can buy these seeds actually in the markets. They'll be packaged something like this, or sometimes you see them as a paste. Now what are these used for? They're used to color foods such as rice, margarine, and various items that are cooked. Recently, research has been done pharmaceutically testing the vitamin E content of the seeds. And people in the rainforest put a paste on their skin, and they've noticed that they do not have a lot of skin problems. And so botanical person and medical person was interested in, well, what do these seeds contain that would help these people have a good skin condition? So they're now doing pharmaceutical research on the vitamin E content of the lipstick flax seeds. So come back in November, December, and you'll probably see them in all their red, glowing glory. And this is the tree right above us here. Okay, on our walk today, we're going to stop at another plant. Now, the focus we've had today is the use of the seeds of these plants. So this is our cacao, or chocolate tree, as it's most well known in English. And where do we get our chocolate from? From the pods, the cocoa pods. It's called cacao, cocoa, or chocolate. And the seeds get harvested, fermented, and roasted to get us all the delicious products that come from chocolate. So this is a chocolate pod from our tree, which is right above us here. So seeds give us many good things to eat. They give us medicine, and they give us craft materials. And on our tropical forest walk, just a reminder, come prepared for rain, mud, and mosquitoes because you may encounter them out on our walkway. Thank you for joining us today.